Hello friends, welcome to our channel CBSE English The Topper's Choice. In today's video, we are going to discuss about class 10th 9th lesson Madam Rides the Bus. Here we go. About the author first we'll see. The author of this lesson is Valli Kannan. Actually, Valli Kannan is the pseudonym of R.S. Krishnasamy. R.S. Krishnasamy, he was born on 12th November 1920 and died on 9th November 2006. He was a Tamil writer, journalist, critic and translator from Tamil Nadu, India. Krishnasamy, he was born in Rajavallipuram near Tirunelveli. He started writing at a very young age and had published 25 books by the time he was 30 years old. He worked for magazines like Cinema Ulgam, Navasakti, Grama Ujia and Hanuman. He also wrote under the pseudonyms Nayandi Bharati and Koranathan. He wrote a total of 75 books in his life: novels, novellas, poetry collections, plays and essay anthologies. In 1978, he was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award for Tamil for his critical work on modern Tamil poetry. Now friends, we'll talk about the introduction of this lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. This lesson is about a brave 8-year-old little girl who had a strong desire to ride a bus, and along with it, she had a courage to fulfill it. She liked gazing at the hustle and bustle of the street, and her favorite part was the sight of the bus arriving and departing. Thus, she developed a deep desire to travel by bus. For that, she needed all sorts of information about the bus journey, collect the bus fare, and then plan it so that she could be back at home before her mother woke up from her afternoon nap. Thus, the story brings us recounts of how innocently but responsibly she fulfilled her deepest desire and her experiences on the bus ride. How an incident makes her realize the reality of death. So friends, now we'll see detailed summary of this lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. This is a sensitive story of an 8-year-old girl whose name is Valli Ammai. It is a story of her first bus journey into the world outside her village. The girl, Valli, at a very tender age, tries to understand the mystery of life and death. The outside world for Valli is charming and fascinating, but mysterious. She longs to experience it by herself. The talks of the village people about the town added fuel to the fire. She decides to go to the town all by herself without anybody's support. She asks the bus conductor to take her to the town. She herself paid her fare. She wanted to devour everything with her eyes. She saw the canal, palm trees, grassland, distant mountain and the blue sky. She also saw great stretch of green field as far as the eye could see. She was overjoyed when she saw a cow running with her raised tail on the road ahead of the bus. While returning, she noticed that the body of the same cow was crushed and bled. She was moved from within. Perhaps she was trying to understand the meaning of life and death in her own terms. She returned home in time. none of the family members could know her adventurous journey. Now we'll talk about the main characters of this lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. The main character of this lesson is Valli. So Valli Ammai, she was a cheerful girl of 8 years. Curiosity about the things surrounding her made way towards gaining the worldly knowledge. Though quite young, she understood the importance of being mature. She was fascinated by the view of the town, yet she did not get down the bus in her temptation. She even refused an offer of free cold drink from the conductor. Already a bit more mature than her age, she understood the mystery of life and death through her first ride on the bus. She realized that in a short span of time, people or creatures that looked so lively a moment ago are snatched away by death. She was a mature girl when she began her ride, but she actually returned as a mature lady. The second character of the story, Madam Rides the Bus, is the bus conductor. The conductor was a fun-loving and jovial person. He was helping and kind to Valli, but also poked fun at her overconfident attitude. The conductor mimicked Valli's tone and instructed her to feel comfortable. The conductor was concerned about the girl and asked her if her mother would be looking for her. Now friends, we'll talk about the main points of this lesson, Madam Rides the Bus. The story is about an 8-year girl named Valli Ammai. She was very curious to know about things. Her favorite pastime was to stand at the front doorway of her house and see what was happening in the street outside. She would watch the bus that passed every half an hour from her village to the nearest town. She developed a desire to ride the bus. This became her deepest desire. Valli found out the details of the bus journey by listening carefully to the conversations between her neighbors and regular bus users. She came to know that the town was just 6 miles from her village and the fare was 30 paise one way. The trip took 45 minutes. Valli planned her visit to the town. She saved 60 paise for the fare and finally she took the 1 o'clock bus to the town. The conductor was a jolly sort of person. He amused Valli with his light-hearted remarks. He called her Madam by way of joke. Valli was very happy to have got into the bus. She saw outside through the window. She could see the canal, the palm trees, grassland, distant mountains, and the blue sky. She met some passengers in the bus. She got annoyed when an elderly man called her a child. She disliked the elderly woman for her shabby look and didn't prefer to talk to her. On the way to the town, Valli saw a frightened cow running right in front of the bus. She clapped gleefully as the cow ran faster. Valli did not get off the bus at the town. She did not want to go to the stall and have a drink because she had no money. She also declined the offer of a cold drink by the conductor. It tells us that she is a self-respecting girl and can overcome temptation. On the return journey, she saw the same cow lying dead by the roadside. This unpleasant sight made her very sad. She was a sensitive girl. The bus reached the village at 3:40. She got down the bus and reached her home. Her mother did not come to know about her journey. So dear friends, if you have liked this video, please click on like, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching.